Hi, so for today, let's learn the app word family. So what is this? This is a cap. So, ano ulit yung sounds ng word nito? So, this is k, a, and so ka, a, cap, cap. So, this is a cap. Now, this one is a gap. So letter G sounds g, g, a. So g, a. So the word is gap, gap. Next, this is lap. So the sound is l, the sound of L, l, the sound of a, the sound of P. So the word is lap, lap. Next, this is, ano kaya to? So, a map. So, M, ano nga yung sounds ng M? Mm. A. So, the word is map, map. Okay? Next word, what is she doing? So, this is, the girl is taking a nap. So, nap. N, the sound of N. N, a, and p. So the word is nap, nap. Next, what is the boy doing? So the boy is singing a rap. So rap. So the sound of R again is r, 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 r. So and A sounds a and p. So the word is rap, rap. Next is, this is a tree with a sap. So the word is sap. The sound of S, this is letter S. This is S. So A, and the letter letter P rather, sounds. So the word is sap, sap. Next is, what's this? It's a tap. So the word is tap. So the sound of T again. This is tss, 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 a. So the word now is tap, tap. Next is, this is lightning. What's that? Zap. So the sound of letter Z, this is Z, this is sounds as Z. A. So the word is zap, zap. Doing great, thank you.